Happy week of October 12th, everybody. I'm so excited. I'm Emily Aarons from EmilyAarons.com. This is your Angels in Your Biz energy forecast for the week from my Angels in Your Biz Oracle card deck. You can get this and the complimentary, or not companion journal, that's what we like to call it, the companion journal over at EmilyAarons.com/cards anytime. This forecast is brought to you on every platform, so no matter where you are, you can take a listen every single week. So wherever you are, subscribe, leave me comments, let me know how it resonated with you, of course. So I love this week's forecast. I'm just gonna say that before I even get started. Card number 1 is integration time. Why is this card first? It's because it's time to allow your system to rest and recalibrate. So one of the things that we get caught up as, and especially as female entrepreneurs, is that we think that we are only worthy of money, love, finances, clients, etc. if we are doing, if we are earning our keep. So this is where the hard stop is showing up. And if you're rolling your eyes at me and you're like, whatever, next, you need to listen, okay? Sometimes we don't realize that the rest and the integration is actually the most important part. Yeah. What if you could change your mantra and your mindset to say, the more that I rest and integrate, the more money I make? Ooh, what about that? The more I rest, the more money I make. Ooh, you can feel that space. I can play. I can have some freedom in my week. I can just make sure that I schedule my rest and play and non-work hours, because that's actually when I'm making the most money. Okie dokie. Next, gratitude. Give thanks for all that you have and all that's coming. So this week, it's really calling you to plan the rest time, because really the integration is you've got to quiet down so that you can actually up level. You're wanting to grow, you're wanting to have a breakthrough year, but you're not giving yourself a chance to reboot. So your computer gets all grr if you don't restart it, right? You can't drive your car and leave it on all day and all night, right? Something's gonna happen to the engine. The same thing. So this is being grateful that you have this time, that you can rest, that you can grow. Be grateful for all that you have. Be grateful for all the things that are coming thanks to you creating the space for it. And even during this rest time, it might be a great opportunity to declutter, to donate, to get rid of stuff, to sell stuff. Look around you. We're always talking about we want to make more money. Well, you have money sitting all around you all the time. It can change form though. So if you're having old jewelry, old clothes, or furniture that's no longer lighting your fire, let it go, give it away, and make space for the things that you truly desire. Last card, like I just said, let go. Let go of control. This is flow. So resting, being grateful, letting go of the things, the items, maybe the people that no longer light you up and serve you, it's allowing you to get into the flow state. And if you don't know, I'm a business alignment coach, which means I'm going to help you to get into that flow state, into alignment, clearing your energy blocks, opening up your intuition channels. This is how you do it. You don't do it by just grinding it out every day, right? You have to play, you have to rest, and this is the week that's asking for you. Now, if you already have something big planned this week and it's too late to cancel plans, that's okay, I get it. But please look at the rest of the month and plan it. Because if you can look at the schedule and go, oh, today is my planned massage. It's my planned play it out in nature. I'm going to go on a hike somewhere. Oh, it's my planned day to declutter. That is your work for the day. You might have a different perception of it. So lots of love to you. I know the beginning steps of integrating can be really challenging, and typically they could be triggering. So if you're getting triggered, notice where the trigger is. So are you being triggered? Because if I stop, then what's the fear? The fear is of what? You're going to lose it all. Everything's going to go away. If you take your foot off the pedal, go where those fears are, go where those triggers are, and do the healing work there. That's the magic. That's how you up level. That's how you grow. Okay, lots of love to you. Thank you for being here. Deep breath. You can do it. I'm with you. Lots of love. Leave me a comment. Let me know how this resonated with you. And if you know somebody who needs to plan to rest and to integrate and to up level, maybe you guys can team up together and do it together. All right, lots of love to you. Have a great rest of your week.